Hello everyone, Sam is here from CreativeTradingSystem.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. This is one of the trade I closed on 18, but the entry was last Friday before that. So on the 16th, right? So this is as soon as the market opened up on the Sunday. On the 18th, I closed this because it's a big drop already. So it's you can see it's like 1, 2, 3, and then a small wave 4 and wave 5, right? So it's 60 pip right there. I closed that. Gold been doing very, very good. I had my chart, before chart, showing that we're gonna be going to the upside, and we did that. I made a gold video yesterday, so you can watch that. Beautiful trades and the setup and exact target is hit already, and we probably gonna drop from there over 4. But anyway, just watch the video. So this is from 500 box size chart, 730 pip on 18th. This is a pound USD going to the upside, 80 pip, and this was also the setup on the 40-minute chart that's gonna bounce and go for 3502 area, which on last Friday we finished that. We hit 3502 finally, and still going to the upside. Euro USD also needed to go to the upside, and it did. Beautiful entry here on the 19th, and that's 80 pip there. This is Nasdaq going to the upside from here to 270 pip on the 19th. This is pound yen buy order is right there, 80 pip on the 19th. This is on the 20th gold again, retracing and then going to the upside 270 pip. And this one is pound Aussie for 145 pip on the back of the Aussie news. Aussie news came out, and EUR-AUD and pound Aussie both went up big time. This is pound Aussie and this is EUR-AUD. Pound Aussie went up a lot more than the EUR-AUD. Actually, EUR-AUD went also nicely, but my entry wasn't here. I got the entry pretty late into this pair. Pound Aussie gave me the early entry. Now, gold for 500 box size is for 500 pip. This is the box size, like brick size. The Renko candles that I use, they are not based on the time factor. They are based on the size of the candle, which called box size or brick size. All right. So again, 500 box size. This is you see this one, the same trade. This is a 500 right here, right? And then you can see this one. I think it was like before this 360 pip I made, and then I just had that recorded a couple of times. So this one, and then let me see. Anyway, so I think that was a second one. And then here, okay, this is the one, and then you went up there, and then you see that this is another one, 240, right? And I show you that why it is all like that. And USD yen downside, sell orders right there from 95 pip on the 21st. And this is gold again going to the upside from here on the 21st. And then here, pound yen going down all the way on the 22nd for 50 pip, not much from 7-minute chart actually. 7-minute chart, pound yen going to the upside for 70 pip. These are a few small ones. On the 23rd, gold went up again, and thanks to Trump, he's came up with the tariff thingy again, right? And then gold went up again big time, and hit my target anyway, thanks to Trump. And the pound USD, like I said, the 3502 finally reached all the way there, 65 pip trade, and another one for 65 pip. And this is on the 23rd USD CAD. Like I said, after the Trump tariff thingy, USD started to get weaker, and the very nice trade for 105 pip on the 23rd. And gold again going to the upside on 23rd. And this is for 140 pip one more time, right? So let me show you what happened to gold, basically. See this one here, right? I started from here that, all the way and all long, and then it came down here. And then again, I made this setup here on the 22nd, and then 23rd, it went up here like this. Let me show you. You see, this is the one. Now I made this chart on the 23rd that is going to drop from there. So this is the current setup, and I posted on my website already. So be ready. If we're not going to go above this level, then we will definitely going to go down for wave 4. and it's going to be like ABC fashion, because this drop is a straight drop. Then a rule of thumb, not rule of thumb, sorry, rule of alternation requires that if this is a flat correction, I mean, not flat, a steep, straight correction in wave 2, then wave 4 post a flat correction. If this one, wave 2, is a flat correction like this, then wave 4 is a straight ABC zigzag correction. Right? So here was a zigzag here, then we can expect flat. Here was a flat, then this is like a subwaves of wave 3. So wave 2 is a zigzag, I mean a flat, then wave 4 you can see is a zigzag, right? So they are like that. So yeah, so this is it for now. And hopefully we're going to drop this time. When the market opens up, let's see what happens. But a lot can happen over the weekend, and this can go to the upside. So be very careful. But I think that, I'm expecting that it's going to drop here. And then if it starts to drop, I'll be all over it. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful new trading week. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. And good luck with your trading.